Hi guys, welcome to COM 124 or Social Media Principles and Practices. My name is Professor Bart Andrew S. Mendoza. You can call me Sir Bart. For today, we're going to talk about unveiling the dynamics of social media and introductory guide. This presentation aims to provide an introductory guide to the dynamics of social media. We will explore the impact, trends, and best practices in leveraging social media for business and individuals. It is not new that social media is an integral part of our daily lives, may it be for communicating with people around us, entertainment, business, and other pertinent functions in our lives. But before we talk about the details, first, let's talk about what social media is. Social media refers to the online platforms and technologies that enable people to interact, share content, and participate in social networking. It has become an integral part of modern communication and has transformed the way individuals and businesses engage with their audience. Now, of course, we have a number of different social media platforms that we use. Facebook is still the most popular among them, followed by X, formerly known as Twitter, and Instagram. For videos, we have YouTube and TikTok, and several different others. We also use social media for a number of different purposes and contents. Now, one thing is for sure, social media has been embedded in our daily lives. Perhaps we can say that it has revolutionized how we live as individuals. Social media has the power to influence opinions, drive engagement, and amplify messages. It has the potential to reach a vast audience and create meaningful connections, making it a valuable tool for marketing, communication, and community building. Now, of course, the contents that we expose ourselves to has directly influenced how we think as individuals and even how we move as society. The power of social media also radiates on how we conduct business. Almost all big and medium businesses, even smaller ones, utilize social media to market their products and services and communicate to their customer base. Every aspect of our lives, may it be professional or personal, has been touched one way or another by social media. So it has a lot of impact. Social media has significantly impacted society, shaping consumer behavior, political discourse, current trends, and it also raised important privacy and ethical considerations that require careful navigation and understanding. Now, this is the purpose of this course. We need to, as communication students, understand the dynamics and idiosyncrasies of social media. We also need to study the trends, the innovations that is happening in real time in social media. Talking about trends and innovations, the landscape of social media is constantly evolving with the emerging trends such as live streaming, augmented reality filters, and influencer marketing. And of course, several different social media development that we may not even be aware of. Now, one thing is true, staying updated with the latest innovations is crucial for leveraging social media effectively. As communication professionals, we can have and develop a very lucrative and a very successful career on social media. May it be social media and community marketing, content creation, social media writing, and several different others that require communication in social media. It means that there has never been such a time for communication professionals, such as now, as future professionals in the field of communication. We are at the precipice of the evolution of social media, and maybe one of us, or even all of us, will have a hand in developing and helping it evolve for the better future. Now, one of the most important terms that you can use or hear in social media is engagement. Engagement refers to a measure of all interactions in social media. Popular types of engagement include likes, comments, and shares of content. Now, building a strong social media presence requires strategic content creation, community engagement, and data-driven analysis. Understanding the nuances of each platform and tailoring content to the target audience is key to successful engagement. Engagement requires not only understanding the audience but also understanding the platform itself. Keeping the audience interested by not only entertaining them but also asking for their feedback is key to maintaining engagement. Perhaps one can say that cultivating engagement is the key to success in the field of social media creation. As communication professionals in social media, we may even have the chance to manage social media accounts for several different clients. Now, always remember that social media plays a pivotal role in shaping brand reputation. It provides a platform for customer feedback, brand advocacy, and of course, crisis management. Maintaining a positive brand image and responding to customer feedback are essential for effective reputation management. Now, how do we do that? One of the innovations of social media is measuring that kind of engagement. The term is called social media analytics. Now, measuring the performance of social media efforts is crucial for optimizing strategies. Utilizing analytic tools to track key metrics such as engagement, reach, and conversation provides valuable insights in refining social media strategies. Now, one can say that engaging in social media management and social media marketing requires for us to basically be aware of and understand these data that social media analytics provide. But of course, there is still one consideration while talking about social media, and it is ethics. We also have to have ethical considerations in managing social media accounts. Now, ethical use of social media involves protecting user privacy, promoting authenticity, and combating misinformation. It is important for individuals and organizations to uphold ethical standards while engaging in social media platforms. Of course, nowadays we have fake information, we have misinformation, and we have a hungry audience that actually eats this information without distinction. Of course, as communication professionals, one of our key jobs is maintaining ethics for businesses or individuals that uses and utilizes social media for different purposes. Now, as we progress in understanding what social media is and understanding data and practicing ethics in social media, of course, we develop the best practices in managing social media businesses. Now, adhering to the best practices such as consistent branding, active engagement, and timely response to customer inquiries can elevate the impact of social media efforts. By implementing these practices, individuals and businesses can maximize benefits of social media. The future of social media holds exciting possibilities, including advancement in AI, immersive technologies, and personalized experiences. Understanding the evolving landscape and embracing innovations will be key to staying ahead in the dynamic world of social media. Of course, it also raises a lot of questions and concerns in terms of AI. How do we interact or how do we utilize AI and not be unethical in terms of originality, in terms of developing our own ideas? Okay? We also have a lot of concerns in terms of oversharing personal lives of people in social media. And also, of course, the ethical practices and how do we create content and information that will be beneficial to our society. Okay? In terms of the need, again, for communication practitioners, learned communication practitioners in social media is essential to the future of social media. So, as communication students and future communication practitioners, you have to be very excited with the possibilities of engaging and pursuing um, professions and careers in social media. In conclusion, social media is a powerful tool that has reshaped not only communication, but also marketing and societal interactions. By understanding its dynamics and leveraging best practices, individuals and businesses can harness the full potential of social media for meaningful engagement and impact. And as future communication professionals, we have the opportunity to contribute and shape our society through social media. Thank you very much for watching my presentation on the dynamics of social media. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out via uh, MS Teams, email, and course messages. Take care, everybody.